Well, hello there. Welcome to the Corniest Corner. As many of us know, it's April 1st. And of course, April 1st cannot pass without doing some joke. Because of course, we call it All Fool's Day, Tom Fool's Day. But no matter what, we're going to run some joke and we're going to fall a fool. Alright? So the Corniest Corner is where we take some of the hottest topics and we make fun of them in the most corniest way. So, the hot topic of today is the situation with Will and Chris. Joke number 1. So of course, we're not talking about metals here, but we can all agree that Chris Rock got hit by a blacksmith. Joke number 2. By now we can all agree, people. We can all agree that the box where Chris get was against his will.
Boy, if you don't...
Yeah. I know it's good. It's quality. I know. Joke number 3. Now, although this was not the Grammys, and of course Michael Jackson is not alive, Chris had to admit that Will did rock his world. I know I'm too good. I'm just too good. Joke number 4. So we know that Chris did not press charges against Will. Will is not going to prison. But for sure, he would not have pulled that stunt if it was The Rock. No? Yeah, that was kind of a stretch. I'll try to work that one. They never really work out. Alright, next joke. So you heard about the situation with Chris, right? Yeah, he had to move back in with his mom. He was really devastated. It's really bad. Like literally, last night, she had to rock him to sleep. I know I'm on a roll, folks. I'm on a roll. Okay, final joke. Joke number 6. All jokes aside, will the Academy take back the Oscar? Or as Jamaicans would say, is everything Chris?
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here.
Yeah, we know we're good. We not ask, we know we're good. But that's it today for the Corniest Corner. Catch you next time.